The engine is shipped without oil. Refer to the engine manual or engine video for the proper amount, type, and weight of engine oil and fill. Visually inspect the unit for fluid leaks. Fix any leaks before further use. Visually inspect the unit for general condition, dents, bent parts, and lost or loose fasteners. Grease the output shaft pillow block bearing every 20 hours of operation. Grease the main drive shaft pivot daily. Inspect the digging chain. Look for cracked or missing carbide teeth. Replace any cracked or broken teeth with the same right, left, or center double link. Remove the belt cover by removing the two 1/2-inch jam nuts using a 3/4 inch wrench. Inspect the condition of the drive chain every 200 hours. Inspect the condition and tension of the belt every 200 hours of operation, or anytime excessive belt wear is suspected. Check the digging chain adjustment. The chain should have about 1.5 inches of slack at the bottom. Loosen the jam nut using a 15/16 inch wrench, and adjust tension using a 5/16 Allen hex wrench. Retighten the jam nut when finished setting tension. Check tire inflation. Do not exceed the pressure specified on the tire sidewall.